Welcome to Dalian Industrial Company Limited. We are a leading global supplier of premium wooden and bamboo disposables enterprise, integrating product design, research and development, production, and sales. It has been deeply involved in the industry for 27 years. Our two manufacturing locations in Dalian and Fujian, China. Specialist in cutlery, ice cream sticks, spoons, coffee stirrers, chopsticks, skewers, straws, and various household items. All the product BRC, FSC, LFGB, SGS approval. Factory ISO 9001, BSCI audited. Our advantage is supply chain and design, which can help your company boost brand, increase sales, and save purchasing cost. Our Europe production base provides continuously logs. Semi-products supply with premium quality and reasonable price to meet heavy customers' demand. Our Dalian facility makes superior quality control for orders. With 4 advanced production lines, 5 QC, 50 skilled workers, 7 experienced production workshop managers control every step to make a traceable quality evaluation for each order. Our bamboo products production base in Chinawood, Fujian owned rich experiences and knowledge for various bamboo products. We adopt new techniques and equipment to produce products. At Yada, we provide great products, competitive prices, and outstanding customer service. Our 6 professional sales managers are ready to make the right suggestion. Customers' satisfaction is our driving force. Come and talk to us about how add value to your business.